Hi, welcome to another Russound product unboxing video. I'm Colin Clark, the VP of Products. I'm here with Robbie Shepardson from our dealer support team, and we're going to unbox the IC-620. This is the 20 series of in-ceiling speakers from Russound. Great general purpose speaker that you can have for listening to music all around the house, all day long, and really enjoy your music. So very nice quality speaker, and we're going to show you what you get when you open up a box. Let's get to it, Robbie.
Yeah, let's see what we got going on in here. So first off, when you open it up, you have the manual, very in-depth, very informational, and all of this packaging is eco-friendly.
Yeah, let's see, and I guess we'll show the inside of the box here. Let me get her facing the camera, but it's all paper pulp and cardboard, so very recyclable and also very easy to break down on the job site. So you get two speakers here, each individually wrapped, so very well protected when you get this out of the box. And let's go ahead and open one up here.
Yeah, so first off, when you open this up, you're going to have the template here for the speaker. Easy to trace, cut out your dimension where the speaker is going to go.
And these also work with pre-construction brackets if you have those as well.
Absolutely, they absolutely do. On top, we have the included round 6.5-inch grill for these speakers. You can additionally order the square grill if you'd like to, but the round one is what comes with it and very easy to paint.
So round is included, square is an optional product you can get. Wonderful, okay?
Absolutely. And then getting into the speaker here, one thing to outline right away is how the speaker is mounted. So these use Swift lock technology. There's 3 ears on each side. All you have to do is take a hold of this this tweeter bridge here.
So that's designed to actually hold it in one hand.
Absolutely. That makes it very, very easy. Once it's in place, you just snap these down in order, however you'd like to do it, and it will snap right into place. No additional bracket needed.
So 3 quick push buttons, no tool needed once you have your cutout done.
Absolutely. Very, very easy. And to release it, if you wanted to take it out, move it, what have you, just put a screwdriver in here, push in, turn to the left, it will release the ear on all 3 individually. You'll be able to take it right out.
Looks like it couldn't be easier. So really simple to get good, quick, great sounding speakers installed in any job you have.
Absolutely.
Looks great. Okay. Well, please like and subscribe if you like this unboxing video, and we'll be bringing you more from Russound. And we thank you for the support of Russound and our products.